So you've had the knee surgery, total knee replacement, yet your knee's still feeling really stiff. I wanted to run through a few exercises, 4 exercises to help regain movement into flexion and into extension of this knee. So the first one we're going to look at is one that you can do in sitting. So I'm going to show you side on so you can see it. So this one is to get more knee bend. So what you're going to do is you're just going to sit on the seat, you're going to bring that leg back, you're going to pop your other leg in front just to bring it back to that edge of your discomfort, to that edge of the stretch. And then you'll come off that and stretch it back out, come back into it, slide it back, and use your good leg to give it an extra push. The second one to be doing is also in sitting. So what you're going to do is get your leg in a position that feels like it's already tight, it's at the end of its movement. You're going to put 2 hands on the chair and you're going to bring your body forward and let yourself sit down into it, and just that's going to really hurt, but you want to hold that stretch. Okay, then you can come off it and relax, then come again and try and come that little bit further. If that's easy, then what I want you to do is bring your leg back a bit further and then bring your body forward. Okay? Another one you can do for that knee bending to regain that is to use a belt at home. Any belt will do. You're going to sit back in your seat, put the belt around your foot, okay? And you're going to bring that knee and try to bend that knee as far as possible, and then you're going to straighten it back out again. Using your arms to control the stretch and out. Try to make sure that your knee's actually bending and it's not just you pulling your hip up. Make sure you're getting that bend at the knee there, and then come back out. Okay? So 3 different things to work on bending that knee. Now there's 2 different ones you can do to also help yourself get that leg fully straight. There's nothing worse than walking around with a leg that's just not fully straight and you feel like you're putting strain through the hips as you limp around. So we're going to use the belt for this one as well. Pop it around the foot, and you're going to use that belt to pull your toes back towards you, and you're going to squeeze your leg muscles, trying to get your kneecap closer to the ground. And you'll feel a really nice stretch there. I'd hold that for about 10 seconds and then come back out of it and then move back in. So you want to repeat all these movements about 10 to 15 times to get the motion and get the knee feeling looser and looser. Okay? And then a final one you can do is a really lazy one, but it's easy. Watching TV, pop your foot up on a stool, pop a bag of something heavy, something frozen in the freezer or something else heavy that you can lay across your leg just to add weight to allow your knee to sink down. So you might find your knees actually sitting up like this. If you can get it as straight as possible, put the weight on top of the knee or just slightly above on top of the thigh and just rest it there. Watch TV for half an hour and let your body get used to that stretch. All right, I hope you get a lot more movement in your knee. It's going to be painful. Just go to the edge of your pain, but do push it quite hard. All the best.